blow molding for LDP bottles, that is most important. Blow molding for LDP bottles involve that is heating of LDP, that is pellets or that is into a molten state, that is extruding it into the hollow tube, that is called a perition, and the clamping the perition in a mold, that is compressed air is blown into the perition, inflation, that is inflating it to fill the mold and form the bottle shape, which is then cooled and ejected. That is key points includes using the specific extrusion temperature between 160 to 170 degree temperature for smooth extrusion and ensuring the perition is inflated evenly for a uniform wall thickness. Key points: melting and extrusion. Plastic pellets are heated and extruded into the molten tube called perition. The temperature is critical for LDPE, typically controlled between 160 to 170 degree temperature. Mold and inflation. The perition is inserted into a mold and that is compressed air is blown into it to expand it to the shape of the cavity. Cooling and ejection. The plastic cools and solidifies, that is taking the shape of the mold. The mold then opens and the finished bottles is ejected. Wall thickness. Wall thickness is controlled by the amount of plastics in the perition. Too thick add weight and cost, that is, while too thin reduces the strength. Material properties. LDP's flexibility is ideal for product like squeeze bottles and certain industrial containers. The material is also used to, that is easy to color. That is temperature control. That is proper temperature is essential. Is too high, the material can decompose. That is, if too low, it won't plasticize properly. That is resulting a poor gloss and transparency. So listen carefully. Blow molding for LDP bottle, mostly that is you will see sometimes using for the for purpose of use, that is for the detergent. Sometimes, so the few cases, very few cases, that is for that is pharmaceuticals, and also mostly it is, and mostly using in, I have seen in FMCG, so CG products. So that is what are the characteristics, what are the temperature is required, how to control, that is all the temperatures during the production, all the operator supervisor has to attentive. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.